So
It is 8:47. It is really hot outside today. You can see by the sweat.
and so early.
Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed our previous vlog, which we actually just premiered. As I mentioned, I am behind on a few vlogs. However, this one's going to be interesting. We are taking a little trip to Mozambique, and yeah, we thought we'd bring you guys along.
And we're traveling by bike.
Oh yeah, just quickly, we got some really great news. Tammy and I am not going to spoil it, but we have a huge vlog coming up and we're going somewhere really special. Definitely, if you have not yet, please subscribe to this video before we even start this vlog, and let us know your favorite part of this video too in the comments down below. Thanks guys.
What's the whip?
And we're off.
It ain't got no gas in it.
You will have to answer to the children of the sky.
We have arrived in Mozambique. We've crossed the border. We took us like 10 minutes to get from the border to here, which is like 30 k's. We are approximately 30 minutes, 40 minutes from home. Yeah, it's really hot on the bike today. We are dying and cooking. Made some new mates here. Garage. Hey, para YouTube. 40 minutes and we should be with my parents. And yeah.
One day you will have to answer to the children of the sky.
We made it!
We have made it. Okay, as you guys can hear, we have definitely arrived at my parents' house. Very sweaty. It was a really good ride though. We had a quick stop at the garage, as you guys saw. 45 minutes to get from the border to here.
Yeah,
not bragging about that, but yeah. We're gonna get dressed in some swimming shorts and we are gonna go take a dip in that pool.
Yeah.
What's that break?
I saw that.
This is Nigel and this is Nita. These are my parents, which you guys have seen in our previous vlog. We went to Montague for the vlog.
That looks so nice.
Okay, baby. It's cognac and espresso for dessert.
Cheers, 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 cheers.
Cheers, YouTube.
Woo.
7:30 last night.
Some cappuccinos.
And a really big sugar. This is 2 sugars, I'm guessing, in one. I drops and he says that he panics and he's like, you know, like, and they start talking about his car. They start.
I came it last night, and then I've got the.
So got our caparinas over here. Say hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Okay,
Hi, vlog.
tell us where we at. What are we doing?
We
Where
are
we at?
at Sagres.
Sagres, well pronounced.
She's gonna just take a sip
I'll
so
take a
she
sip.
can pull her face
Doug.
as well.
-1.
These are quite strong, but they're delicious, by the way. So tell us, what are we doing at Sagres?
We're having lunch.
We ordered some starters.
And it's right here on the beach, padding to the...
Pants to beach. It's low tide right now. It's not how the beach normally
Yeah,
looks.
there's like zero ocean over there.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're all getting over some hangovers from yesterday.
Hi, my name is Shandon. This is me after one caparina.
Hi, I'm Caparina, and this is my third Shandon. And this is still my third drink of the day.
Calamari rice and...
Fish and rice and there's more fish and rice and salad.
So what's on the menu today?
It's cobble yo and spicy rice and salad.
Nigel, what's on your menu today?
The same as my wife.
This is the Sagres ship. That's what this place is named after. Bye-bye.
So if you want me, tell me that I'm the one. Say that you love me too. Kisses don't come for free. So what you waiting for? To mine, only 5. Then we can go all night. Then we can go all night. So if you want me, ooh, ooh, ooh.
my vlog. So this is a tunnel run in my mom's car. So the cops are pulling us. No, I'm kidding.
We're on our way to get our nails done. Pedicures for us and nails for you.
Okay, good morning vlog. So yesterday was very unsuccessful, and myself and Tammy have just woken up. There she is on the bed. We are about to have a Team Tuesdays virtual Bloom meeting, so we are up and about, as you guys can see, dressed and ready to go. Actually are going to try again and go get manicures and pedicures, our feet done today. So yeah, after our meeting we'll keep you up posted.
Day 2 of trying to go get our nails done. Let's hope it goes better today and we can actually go and do it.
Our meeting went really well, if that counts for anything.
Well, yes.
We had a few technical difficulties early in the morning, but I mean,
Team Tuesday.
as Team Tuesdays, my dude, and
Feet suffering.
In a state of mind, too cool to be careless. Looking for the right thing. Oh baby, don't look any further. Tonight we're gonna taste a little paradise. All night long, daylight, I'll still be looking in your ebony eyes, and we'll go on and on and on and on.
It's Wednesday, my dudes. And we're on our way back to South Africa, leaving 2 days early due to some unforeseen circumstances.
look what we got in the back.
It's me.
Due to political unforeseen circumstances, we are heading back to SA a bit earlier than we wanted to. Cars packed up, we are leaving. We should be there in about 3 hours, so
What you need is a lover to love you all over.
We are back in Nelspruit with a bang, and it's raining. We're getting a little gnome. What is this?
it's a gnome. Love, okay, let's play a game here when we get home, okay? Chat, guess this, nah? What color is it? Is it this one or is it this one?
Oh, I hope it's the grey one.
So
Can't you just open it?
We cannot do that. So guess in the comments.
Very cutesy.
I don't say.
Now we're in Checkers. The shopping for the ingredients, not just distraction shopping. Like the Christmas decorations and the elf, the gnome.
Okay.
If you're South African,
You know these
you know
slap.
these are the best.
Buy yours now here at Checkers only.
It's warm.
Vlog. So previously we asked you guys what color you think this is going to be. Do you think it's going to be the silver or do you think it's going to be the colorful color? Okay, let's see. Okay, it's open.
Dun,
let's
dun,
have a
dun, dun. We need a drum roll.
And it's the grey ones. I'm just saying, that's false advertising because I really wanted the purple ones. Okay, so the final step will be obviously to decorate this cake, and Tammy is doing
Taking it upon myself to contribute to the happenings of the
Cheesecake.
the food on this day.
The food was fantastic, by the way. Shout out
It
to
was amazing.
Mom and Nita. What's your rating?
Yo, no, that will cause some fights.
She's decorating this with some melted Biscoff over here. This is a Lotus Biscoff Cheesecake.
A little sliver. I reckon it's a 11.
11 out of 10.
We most definitely have a winner. I love it.
Go.
11 out of 10.